Saudara, sejak perang Hamas-Israel meletus, Rumah Sakit Alsyifa telah menjadi tempat perlindungan bagi puluhan ribu orang di tengah konflik yang meningkat. Pihak Palestina berencana mengevakuasi pasien dan bayi dari Rumah Sakit Alsyifa. Tapi menurut ahli, usulan evakuasi pasien dan bayi dinilai berbahaya sebab diperlukan personel terlatih, peralatan yang memadai, serta rencana transportasi yang tepat. Otoritas Kesehatan Palestina mengatakan 40 pasien termasuk 3 bayi meninggal sejak generator darurat Syifa kehabisan bahan bakar Sabtu lalu. Sementara 36 bayi lainnya berisiko meninggal karena tidak ada listrik di inkubator.
The chances of safe transport of sick and tiny newborns are extremely low to zero, because if you can't transport in safety, meaning that you can get to your destination, and if you don't have skilled providers in the ambulance, and you can't go by airplane, obviously, and you don't have the right equipment, you know, you're just, it's a hopeless situation. I'm so sorry to say. It's, you know, for me as a pediatrician and somebody who's been involved in crises like this, it's really heartbreaking.